How to set video as core background on Samsung Galaxy A05. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set video as core background on Samsung Galaxy A05. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, how do you go about this? It's very simple. All you need to do is to go to your phone and get your phone app, click on it. From there guys, see these three line dots, just click on it. You can see from the message popped up, click on settings. Now go straight to your core background, click on core background. You can see select a picture or video to show when you make or receive calls. Now go ahead and click on the background at the down page here. Click on background. Then if you wish to use this video on your phone, you can go and add it. You can see the video guys. When you add it, just go ahead and click on the set as background. Then if you want to use the sound of this video as a ringtone, you can just turn it on. Then if you want to remove it, you can just turn it off. Now guys, this video is on mute. Just turn on this button to hear the sound. Can you see it guys? Now after that, just go ahead and click on set as core background. Next time you receive a call or you make a call, that is the background of your phone with the calls. Let me make a call on this particular phone. Can you see it guys? So guys, that's how your core background will look like when you use video for the background, or if you want to use any of your own preferable video, you can just go ahead and click on this background. When you click on that background guys, go ahead to your gallery, search for the video of your choice. Go ahead and click on this, any video of your choice. Can you see it guys? Then after that, if the video is too long, you can just use this button to trim it. So you cut it. After that, you can just click on done. Then you trim out the video. So after trimming the video, you can just go ahead and click on set as core background. Now when you receive a call or you make a call, that is how your background will look like. Now let's do it again and make a call on that phone. Can you see what I'm saying guys? Can you see it guys? So guys, that is how to set video as core background on Samsung Galaxy A05. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.